Next up is the EZR Custom motor, and basically what the custom motor is it's got a Rovan bottom end with a King motor ported rev top end. So it's got a 2mm plus stroker crank in it, and then it's got the 30.5cc cylinder that's ported by King motor at the factory. It's called a rev head, and then it's got a Rovan crankcase. So this helps with a lot of compression, and I really love this motor. I've also got high expectations for this. I actually doubt it will not perform because the combination of parts in there is fantastic. So just starting it now for the first time, I can feel that compression, and you are going to be impressed. Are you ready for a powerhouse? I just tested this thing and tuned a little bit. Man, this thing's got power, as it does every single time I build it. EZR Custom 30.5 ported. Enjoy.
Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one.
Well, I couldn't read the speed because the speedometer went flying, and before it fell off, it hit 54 k's an hour. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna try again and try and stick this thing on a little bit harder. So that was the same as the OBR 27. Sounded like the car ran out of fuel there. 169. That's pretty good. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed it, but the wind blew my GoPro over and broke the glass. The lens protect the glass. It broke it, so you guys might notice it there. I also got a crack here in the cover. So there's another $20 down the drain. Anyway guys, I'm gonna have to continue recording with a cracked glass.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Like really what it seems, trying to find out what it means. Always do it alone, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the signs, it's my only way to see. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable. Let me in, let me go, yeah, like that, only, like that, I'm only. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable.
Anyway, so for some reason on that motor, that 30.5, it kept running like out of fuel or something. So I don't know why. I'm gonna let it cool down, then I'm gonna top up the tank full and see if that maybe makes a difference. But when I run that top end and it runs out of fuel, that obviously creates a lot of heat. So I kept richening it up, but that didn't change anything. So I'm gonna just fill the fuel tank and see if that makes a difference. I've got enough sunlight to do one more motor today, and then I'm gonna continue with the other motors next week. But I'm gonna kick out videos of the tests so long. Cool. Let me check if I can fix that thing. So the carb does make the difference. The Zenoa G320 comes with a Walbro 1107 carburetor, and I had it here, stripped it off the engine obviously. So I swapped carbs. I took the 668 off, I put the 1107 on this engine, and there is no more lag like that. I'm now sorry I didn't take a video. I don't want to do too many top speed runs like that because it's quite hot, but this was the result. It clocked 71 k's an hour, the same as the OBR that was lean tuned. And but I'm not gonna put that in the video because it wasn't a true test. So the best it got with the 668 was 70 k's an hour. But just to show you guys the difference a bigger carb with bigger Venturis make for bigger motors. So I'm still going to test all the other big motors, including the G320 with the 668 carburetor, and just do the best that it can. Guys, I gotta say that motor is so much fun, man. That is still, I think, my favorite motor that I have built through the years. It is so easy, so simple, yet so powerful, and it's made from China, man, and it's long lasting. We've had quite a few of them running for a while now, but as you guys could see, the result speaks for itself. It's got a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour, which means it revs out an extra 1,000, 2,000 RPMs. I know there's a real math equation you can do on standard gearing. Now imagine you put that power to a 1955 or a 2053 gear set. That thing will be gunning it. So we've got an end result on the drags of a 2.7 seconds, which is fantastic. The same as the OBR Full Mod 27.2, which costs double the price. I mean, comprehend this, guys. You get the same power for half the price. This is exactly what I'm trying to prove. But we are still getting into the big boys. We are still getting into the Zenoas, which has got really good quality. But just that comparison already. A Zenoa ported by OBR. Okay, it's not young. It was ridden, so it's not fresh out of the box. But comparison now to this EZR Custom 30.5. To me, there's no question. This is gonna be my most favorite motor going on for the rest of this year, I'm telling you now. Then we also got a drag speed of 61 kilometers an hour, which is fantastic. I will be running this motor side by side in future videos to show you the comparison to the bigger motors and possibly run it next to the Rovan 30.5 just to see what you get out of a motor for an extra $100. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.